Dear student, in the previous lecture, we discussed about the algebraic structure like ring, groups, and fields. Today, in this video lecture, I discuss about the modular operator. So, modular modulo operator is shown as represent as mod. The second input n is called the modulus. The output r is called the residue, according to this figure. If z dash negative integer to positive integer, n is positive, a equal to q into n plus r. Q is the quotient, r is the non-negative number. So n positive, apply the modular division operator, and r is equal to find non-negative number. Like for example, find the result of the following operation. Like the 27 modular division 5. So 5 divide 27 divided by 5. 5 5 is a 25. 27 subtracted by 25, remainder equal to 2. So we save the R value equal to 2, quotient equal to 5, Q equal to 5. Similarly, 36 modular division of 12. 36 is divided by 12, remainder equal to 0, quotient equal to 3, 12 3 is equal to 36. Similarly, dividing minus 18 by 14, result r equal to minus 4. How? After adding the modulus r equal to 10, after adding the modulus r equal to 10, we obtain minus 4 r equal to minus 4, r equal to 10. It means 4 1 ja 4 plus, no, 4 2 ja 28 plus 4 2 ja 4 minus 2 ja 28 minus 28 plus 10 equal to 18. So remainder r equal to 10. Dividing minus 7 by 10. So 10 minus 1 ja 10 plus 3 according to Qn plus R. So remainder R equal to 3. Set of residue. The modulo operation create a set which in modular arithmetic is referred to as the set of least residues modulo n or Zn. Figure some Zn set like that. Zn equal to set of 0, 1, 2, 3, dash, 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 n minus 1. So Z2 equal to 0, 1, Z6 equal to 0 to 5, Z11 equal to 0 to 10. The congruence, to show that two integers are congruent, we use the congruent operator like that. Tree line, for example, we write 2 congruent 12 modular division of 10. 3 congruence 8 modular division 5. So 3 lines is the show congruence operator. Suppose Z is given integer and input apply 10 modular division. After applying the modular division, we find Z10 equal to 0 to 9. So minus 8 congruence of 2, congruence operator equivalent of 12, congruence relation 22 mod 10. That congruence relationship between these numbers. A residue class A in form of array and n is the set of integer congruence model like that. 0, 15, 10, 5, 0, 5, 10, 15. 15. 15 minus 15 minus 10 minus 5 0 5 10 15. 15. 15 minus 10 minus 5 0 5 10 15. 15 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 min 1 like that, minus 14, minus 9, minus 4, 1, 6, 11, 16, 2 minus 13, minus 8, 3, 2, 7, 12, like that is represent like congruence integer modular n. For example, we use modular arithmetic in our daily life. For example, we use a clock to measure time. Our clock system use modulo 12 arithmetic. However, instead of 0, we use the number of 12. And operation in Z suffix n like that. In three binary operation that we discussed for the set Z can also define for the set Zn. The result may need to map to Zn using the modular operator. Figure binary operation in Zn like that. Z or Zn. A and B plus, minus, and multiplication. Apply the modular division of n. We find C, store Zn. We can say that A plus B modular division n equal to C, A minus B modular division n equal to C, A multiply B modular division n equal to C. So arithmetic operation also performed and apply the modular division. For example, add 7 to 14 in Z15 like that. 14 plus 7 modular division of 15. So we can say that 7 to 14, add 7 to 14 in Z suffix 15 is represent that 7 plus 14 plus 7 modular division of 15, 21 modular division of 15, and remainder store is 6. 7 subtracted 11 from 7 in Z13 means 7 minus 11 mod 13 minus 4 mod 13 means add 9, we find modular 13 add 9. Similarly, 7, 11 mod 20, 77 mod 27, and remainder is 70. Perform the following operation. The input come from either Z or Zn. Add 17, 27 in 14. Discuss. Now next property. First property, A plus B mod n equal to, we can write A modular division n plus B modular division n and whole modular division. Second property, A minus B mod n equal to A का modular division by n minus B का modular division of n and whole modular division of n. Third property, A cross B mod n means A mod n multiplied by B mod n का whole mod n. Modular arithmetic properties. Commutative laws. W plus X mod n equal to X plus W mod n. Similarly, W into X mod n equal to X into W mod n. Associativity law. W plus X plus Y mod n equal to W plus X plus Y mod n. Wx in bracket plus Y mod n equal to W plus X plus Y mod n bracket. We can also write in multiplication like that, W into X bracket में multiply by Y mod n या W multiply bracket में X into Y mod n. Distributive law, W into X plus Y mod n, we can write W into X plus W into Y bracket में mod n. Identity, 0 plus W mod n equal to W mod n, 1 into W mod n equal to W mod n. Additive inverse, for each W element of Z1 there exists Z such that W plus Z equal to 0 mod n. Property of mod operation like that, Z or Zn, apply input A, B, apply the operation plus, minus, subtraction, and modular division, store original process. We can also write A modular division, A mod n, B apply B modular division Z, apply the arithmetic operation, addition, subtraction, addition, and then apply mod n and find the applying the property of original process. For example, 1723345 plus 212,494 mod 11. We can write 8 plus 9 mod 11 equal to 6. Similarly, subtraction and multiplication. In arithmetic, we often need to find a remainder of power of 10 when divided by an integer. 10 की power n mod x equal to 10 mod x की power n. Applying the third property n times means 10 की power n mod x, we can write 10 mod x की power n. 10 mod 3 equal to 1. 10 की power n mod 3 equal to 10 mod 3 की power n equal to 1. 10 mod 9 equal to 1. So 10 की power 9 n mod n equal to 10 mod n की power n equal to 1. 10 mod 7 equal to 3. So 10 की power n mod 7. 10 की power 10 mod 7 की power n. 3 की power n mod 7. Inverse. When we are working in modular arithmetic, we often need to find the inverse of the number relative to an operation. We are normally looking for additive inverse relative to the addition operation or multiplicative inverse relative to a multiplication operation. Additive inverse in Zn, two numbers a and b are additive inverse of each other if a plus b congruence 0 mod n. In modular arithmetic, each integer has an additive inverse. The sum of an integer and its additive inverse is congruent to 0 modulo n. Find all additive inverse pair in Z10 like that. 6 pair of additive inverse 0, 0, 1, 9, 2, 8, 3, 7, 4, 6 and 5, 5 is additive inverse pair in like Z suffix 10. Multiplicative inverse in Zn, two number a and b are the multiplicative inverse of each other if a cross b congruence of 1 mod n. In modular arithmetic, an integer may or may not have a multiplicative inverse. When it does, the product of the integer and its multiplicative inverse is congruent to 1 modulo n. So we can say A has a multiplicative inverse in Zn if and only if GCD n comma a equal to 1. That is, a and n are relatively prime number. Find the multiplicative inverse of 8 in Z10 solution like that. There is no multiplicative inverse because GCD 10 comma 8 equal to 2 is not equal to 1. In other words, we cannot find any number between 0 to n such that when multiplied by 8, the result is congruent to 1. Next example. Find all multiplicative inverse in Z10. There are only 3 pairs 1, 1, 3, 7, 9, 9. The number 0, 2, 4, 5, 6 and 8 do not have a multiplicative inverse. Find all multiplicative inverse pair of in Z11. There's a 1, 1, 2, 6, 3, 4, 5, 9, 7, 8 and 10. All the number in Z11 are multiplicative inverse. This is because Z11 GCD 11 comma a is 1 for all values of except 0. This means that all integer 1 to 10 have